Hello guys, so I am again back with another video. So what in this particular video I'll be showing you is that I'll be showing you how to create custom icon creation in your Windows computer. So as you all know that after we format our computer or we purchase a laptop or desktop PC or whatever computer we are working on, the first thing which we install is that Microsoft Windows Office package, and it comes up with Word, Excel, PowerPoint. But the thing is that if I search for Word, all I need to do is then I need to right click on it and then open file location to create the shortcut of it. So after that I need to right click on it, this particular shortcut, and then send to desktop. So we are sent to desktop. Here the option it is. So what the problem lies with this particular option is that we are stuck with using the inbuilt. We are stuck with using the inbuilt icon which this particular application is giving. So I'll be showing you a way by which you can create your own custom icon for your particular application, this Words application. So let me open up Notepad, and for Word it is start WinWord. That's the shortcut for WinWord. Fine. So you need to save this as a batch file. So I'll be saving it inside this POM folder, and I'll be naming it as MS Word, and the extension will be BAT for batch file, and it will be of all file types, and then save. Fine. And then close this particular window, and then we'll be going to the POM, and then we'll be clicking on this particular, and then after right clicking on it we'll be sending it to the desktop. Fine. So here we are having a shortcut, and you can rename it according to your own will. So maybe I'll be naming it as, right click and then rename, and I'll be naming it as Word. So take a look at this particular option, that is Word. So I was stuck with the inbuilt icon, that icon which Microsoft is giving me. I was stuck with that. Now I'll be using Word, the application which I have installed on my computer. I'll be using their application, but the icon I'll be using is my own. So I'll be pressing Window R from my keyboard, and I'll be typing chrome.exe to open up my Chrome browser, and say I'll be searching for Word caricature, maybe caricature. Yeah, fine. So let me go to the images section and see what suggestion it gives off. No, I don't see any good suggestion. So instead of Word, maybe W caricature. Yeah. So we are having a couple of options. Let me browse to these. How about this one? Or maybe how about this one? Yeah, fine. So in this particular context also, I'll be showing you that if you want to snip a particular portion of your screen, the shortcut for that is press Window key, then holding down Window key, Shift S. So let me press down the Window Shift S, and let me show you what it does. So Window Shift S. So we'll be selecting this particular icon. Yeah, this particular up to this section, and I'll be having it in my notification area. So in my notification area it should come up snip to clipboard. Okay, let's click on it. So it's running a bit slow, maybe. Yeah. So let me press Ctrl S from my keyboard, and what I'll be doing is that I'll be saving it inside desktop, and maybe POM. Inside this folder I'll be naming it as Word. Save. Fine. So what I'll be doing is that next I am also having a good feel about this particular icon, this W icon. So again I'll be pressing Windows Shift S from my keyboard. to open up my snipping option. So I'll be snipping this particular this cute looking icon as well. So let me go to the notification bar and see whether it has come up with it not. Yeah, so that's, yeah. So I am having two icons. So what I'll be doing next is that is word. So I'll be naming it as word2. Let me save this file. Now I'll be searching for online ICO converter. That's a simple thing I can do work with. Online ICO converter, and this is the first website which it is showing. So choose file. So I'll be quickly converting these two files. So I am having desktop, and inside POM folder we are having two files, that is Word. Let me open it up and then convert. It takes a couple of minutes, a few seconds, not a couple of minutes. It takes a few seconds to convert the file, and I'll be selecting this Word2 as well. Open, and it's converting. I think I need to click on this convert button as well in order to convert it. So we are having favicon and favicon ICO. So we are having two icons. So what you can do is that you need to right click on this and then select on properties, and from there you will be having this particular option, change icon, and you need to browse to that particular location, browse. So I am having it in the downloads folder. So here it is, favicon 1. So open, OK, and then click on apply and then OK. Voila, you are having a Word application shortcut, and the icon which you are using is of your own will. You are not bound to use the icons which is given by Microsoft. So if you click on this particular icon, just double click on it. See, MS Word is opening up. That's not an issue. So you can change this icon as well. So I had made two icons. I had converted two icons. So change icon, and then I'll be again going to the browse option, and then I'll be selecting this one and then click on open and then OK, and then say apply and then OK. Yeah. So this is how you can create a custom icon for your MS Office applications, namely Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So let me clarify also that let me right click on it and go to the edit section. So for Word we are writing start WinWord. For Excel it's simple, we will be writing Excel, and for PowerPoint we will be writing PowerPNT. So let me change it to MS Access. So Access is a tricky word. It has double C, E and a double S. That's the trick. So Access, MS Access. Let me save, Control S, save the file, and let me close this one and click on this word icon. So see, Microsoft Office Access has opened up. This is a database tool which you can integrate with your API applications for Java or maybe Python. That's another thing which I'll be working on, or I'll making video on at later point of time. But for now, I have shown you a way in which you can get rid of the inbuilt icon. The icon which the operating system Microsoft is offering you. You can get rid of that particular icon, and you can use your custom icon. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Happy coding guys, and see you again for some another video. Thank you guys.